Alright, so what we had to do on this one was we had to apply our knowledge of polygons and the interior and exterior angles. And all you had to do was watch the video and it told you how to do it. Now, before we go over our homework, I want to write something on this page that's going to help you. Go to this page right here, 35A. Just flip back. I want us to write down beside here the sum of all of these. And remember, to find the sum of interior angles, what formula do you use? N minus 2 times 180. Good. Take a point. Alright, so we would do 3 minus 2 times 180. What's 3 minus 2? And what's 1 times 180? Haley, put up your phone. I didn't say Mazzero, so that has nothing to do with you. Alright, let's look at a quadrilateral. 4 minus 2 is? 2. And 2 times 180 is? Alright, so work these out. This is what we're filling in this chart right now. We're not just sitting there, and we're not going to keep saying huh like we're completely confused and have no manners. At Mazzero. Brett, are you going to write these down and work them out? Okay.
Oh, which one? I'm serious. I think 180 and 50.
You do all of them, Zero.
All right. I need a couple of give our phone. Give her your phone.
Lights, yeah.
Yes. Alright, what did we get for a pentagon?
5.
Do we need another minute on the rest? Okay, you do 5 minus 2, which is what?
3.
And then you do 3 times 180. Because this is our formula for interior angles. It tells you right here. Okay, so now for the next one, you're going to do 6 minus 2, which is? Okay, now do 4 times 180 in your calculator. What?
17.
Okay. Alright, then what are you going to do?
7 minus 3, which is 5.
And then what are you going to do with that?
9.
Okay. Ari, it is not a glowing angel in your lap. Put it in your backpack. Thank you. Alright, what's an octagon? Well, what's the interior sum of an octagon? Not what is an octagon.
1,000.
Alright, nonagon. Say it to me again. Okay. Decagon. Hendecagon.
1620.
Dodecagon.
1800.
Alright, that's going to help us figure these out. Are we ready?
Hold on, let me write those down.
Okay.
Wait, what's
No.
Can I just put my phone on your desk?
What?
Put my phone on your desk.
You can put it up there.
I can't stop reading.
Who is going to take it?
It's cheap.
Yes, that's fine. As long as you bring me more water, that's fine. Alright, now, let's go to our homework. Now, the reason we made that chart is so that we can easily look and find the sum of interior angles so that we don't have to use n minus 2 to do this. Or if you don't remember, if you didn't write down the chart, you could use n minus 2. Now, what is the interior sum of a hexagon? Because that's the shape for number 6, or number 2.
720.
720. So what are we going to do with all of those angles?
Set it equal to 720.
What are you going to do with them, though, first? You have to add them up and then set it equal to 720, which is what you should have done for your homework. So we're going to start here at 4x. And we're going to do 4x plus 7x plus 7x plus 4x plus 7x plus 7x equals what?
180.
Guys, it's a hexagon. We just wrote that down. 720. Does everybody see how we got 720? We just flip back to our chart. Raven, can you stop talking? Alright, now add those up. What do you get when you add up all of those x's?
36.
And then what do you do? And what does x equal?
20.
Alright, now, did it ask us to find x, or did it ask us to find the measure of each interior angle?
Each interior angle.
So what do you do with that once you find x?
Minus.
You plug it in. You plug it right here for x. What are you confused on?
Hold on. Wait. Okay. That equals 720?
Yes.
You multiply it, or you multiply?
This
Yeah,
is a hexagon.
I know.
We flip back to this page where we found the interior sum of a hexagon.
At 720. Okay, but
So
what
we
is it?
add all of our angles up and set it equal to 720.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
No.
Would,
Okay, I
like,
get
since
it.
they're all the same, would you just do 1, 7, and 1?
Yeah. You could just do 1, 7, and 1, 4. So what's the measure of angle D?
1, 4.
Angle E.
1, 4.
Angle F. Angle G. Angle H. Angle I. Good. Alright. Any questions?
No.
Flip the page. Flip the page. Right there. Where did what? How do you function on a daily basis? He doesn't.
Hey man, be quiet, alright? Huh.
I'm just not a man.
Yeah, like, I mean, oh, I'm so sorry.
Okay.
I'm so sorry.
You come already?
Oh, man, I'm so sorry.
It's okay. The feminist in me is about to come out and tell him that he can't handle him acting like a woman, so he needs to sit over there and be quiet. And let's do our math. Alright, so number 3. What would we set these equal to? Why would we set it equal to 360? Because it has 4 sides. It's a quadrilateral. So we would do x plus 14. And I'm going to start here and I'm going to go clockwise. Blair, what did you write down? Let me try again. Alright, x plus 14 plus 2x plus 16 plus 2x plus 16 plus x plus 14, and we set that equal to 360. Work it out without me. If you did your homework last night, then you get to relax for a minute, or this morning in 0 period. You just add them up. Add up your like terms. That's all we're doing. You shouldn't get a decimal. X plus 2x plus 2x plus x gives you 6x, right? Okay. Baby, what did you do?
I got 66.
So I'm
But
16.
I think I did though.
Oh.
What'd you say, Miss Arrow?
I had them when I got 66. That's wrong. I'm sorry.
You do 14 plus 16 plus 16 plus 14. Alright, what did we get for x? What did y'all get for x?
Wait, 6x.
Okay, alright, alright.
Oh, for x, I got 6.
6.
Why did you?
Did we get 6?
Yes. Yeah. Yes. How do you figure?
Okay, alright, let's just stop and we're gonna work it out because I don't know what y'all doing. Alright, x plus 2x is what? What is 1x plus 2x? Plus 2x plus x. Okay. Okay. Now 14 plus 16 is?
30.
Plus 16 plus 14 is?
6.
Okay. And then we subtract 60 and we get 300, right?
Yes.
So you should get 6x equals 300. So x equals 50.
Yes. I don't know what x equals you were talking about.
Y'all, I said what is x equal? There's only one x, taters. We just find an x.
That's what I thought you were asking.
Did you say it was 50?
Yes.
I just told you it was 50. You told me that.
And then we're saying 6 42 times, and I don't know what is happening.
I heard somebody say 2.
Raven, did you get 50?
Yes, ma'am.
How many of us got 50? Take a point for your team.
How did they all get 50? I got 50, and then I said I got 50.
And 20 of them said 6.
I said 2. I heard somebody say 2.4. Who said it? Who said it?
All right, now no judgment, all God's children. What do we do with that 50 now that we have it? Plug it in. So what is S going to equal?
116.
So if S is 116, what's T?
116.
All right, what's U? And what's W? Fantastic. You two are going to stop talking across my classroom. Thank you. Don't care. No.
She really cannot see.
She really can't. She needs to go to the eye doctor.
Yes.
All right, let's look at number 5. Now, number 5 is an exterior angle. So what is the sum of exterior angles always?
360.
360. So we're going to add these up and set it equal to what?
360.
So we're going to do 2x plus 9x plus 6x plus 139, and we're going to set it equal to 360. Do it without me. You did your homework. You get to relax. More proof that you should do your homework. Now, Raven, since you did your homework last night, can you tell me what you got for X?
17.
I just want X, guys. I just want X. Did everybody get 13? Okay, then what are you going to do with 13? Plug it back in. Do it. Go.
Stop playing all the time. That's why you do that thing.
Okay. Are you done? Super proud. Are you lying? Please don't make me call Mom. Please don't make me. Alright, let's look at our notes from yesterday because we're going to practice those today. Can somebody raise their hand and tell me one thing we know about the sides of parallelograms? Can one person raise their hand? Ari. Two sides are parallel. Fantastic. What does that mean? I'm asking Ari. What does that mean? They never cross. Take a point, baby. Alright, can one person raise their hand and tell me something we know about angles?
Oh, God.
Aubrey. Raven, do you need to give me that?
No.
Wait. Okay. Some can be supplementary and then some
Just tell me that. I just want that part.
they're consecutive.
Consecutive angles are. There you go. Take a point. Great job, Tater. All right. Can somebody raise their hand and tell me something about the diagonals? Haley,
35 seconds.
what does that mean?
What?
What else does that mean? They cut in half. They meet in the middle. Good. Take a point. Take a point, Trey. Take a point. All right. So that means that if this top one is 5, what's this bottom one? What is wrong with you? It cuts in half, baby. That means they're congruent. So if this 2 ticky part right here is 5, what's this part going to be?
5.
And what's the whole diagonal? 10. Because what's...
You don't multiply all around the square.
Everybody understands that whole diagonal is 10, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so if this is 9, what's this top part?
9.
And what's the whole diagonal?
18.
Fantastic. Alright, what else do we know about the sides of parallelograms? We're raising our hand. Mazera. They're congruent. Fantastic. Take a point. So if this is 10 and this is x, what does x equal?
10.
Oh, my ham sandwich. If this is 10 and this is 2x, what would you do with those two things? You would set them equal to each other. Okay. What else do we know about angles of a parallelogram? We're raising our hand.
Pairs of opposite angles are congruent.
Pairs of opposite angles are congruent. Good. Take a point. So if this was 15, what would this top angle be? 15. If this was x and this was 70, what would this have to be? These are what? Supplementary. They're consecutive. So what's 180 minus 15?
165.
So what would this one be?
165.
There we go. Alright. I think we might be ready for our activity for today. Now, you're gonna... We have a test next week, though.
Oh, God.
On what?
Is this letting go?
What we've been... Okay, so you're going to work in pairs. Now, one person is going to do the left side and is going to be partner A. One person is going to do the right side and is going to be partner B. And then as you work them out, you're going to swap and check. Okay? Does everybody understand? Because you should get the same answer for the problems, even though they're different. Fantastic.